this how to 1 minute will show you how to show latest videos from YouTube channel in your WordPress website. So first of all, we will install and set up Embed Press plugin in our WordPress dashboard, and then we will generate our YouTube channel API key, and then we will add our channel to our WordPress. So first of all, log into your WordPress dashboard and hover over on plugins and click on add new plugin. In the search plugins box, type here Embed Press and search for it. And this is the plugin we are going to use. So install it and activate. Once the Embed Press plugin activated, scroll down to this left-hand menu and here search for Embed Press and click on Embed Press. Click on Sources and click on these settings next to YouTube. And now here we need to add our YouTube API key. To generate it, search for Google Cloud. And here click on cloud.google.com and click on get started for free. And here select your country and click on agree and continue. And here you have to enter your payment method or credit card information and click on start free. Once your Google Cloud account created, you will jump into this dashboard. Here click on my project, and now to create a new project, click on new project. And write here the project name and write here your organization name and click on create. Once the project created, click on this project drop down and now select the project you just created to work with it. And now click on this search box and type here YouTube. Type here YouTube and here scroll down and you will get here YouTube Data API version 3. Click on it. And now click on enable to enable YouTube Data API version 3 plugin. Once the plugin enabled, click on create credentials and select an API. Select YouTube Data API version 3 and select public data and click on next. And as you can see, my API key has been successfully generated. Now copy this API key and click on done. And now go to the Embed Press plugin settings page and here paste the API key. And you can change video per page. For example, I'm adding 5 video per page, and you can add a start time in seconds. You can enable autoplay. Now scroll down and click on save changes. Once done, let's create a new page for YouTube channel or YouTube videos. And click on edit with Elementor. And let's add a container and let's select this structure. And now click on this icon and here search for Embed Press and drag and drop Embed Press. Source name, select YouTube, and now copy your YouTube channel link and paste it here. And as you can see, my YouTube channel has been successfully embedded with latest videos. So I'm going to my YouTube channel, and as you can see, I'm in video section, and the latest video is how to migrate from Blogger to WordPress. And now I'm in my WordPress, and here we can see the latest video is how to migrate from Blogger to WordPress. Click on publish And this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. How to 1 minute. See you in the next video.